Good morning. So I am back with another vlog. I just filmed this look and it will be going up on my channel very soon. So this video will go after that and probably after the car vlog video. I'm not quite sure about that one yet. I don't even know if I'm gonna post that. I'm gonna go eat. I just don't know what I want, and like going out like this, like I'm about to get judged. I literally look like Rudolph or I got some sort of infection. But this is like my heartbroken makeup, like if I like cried the heart's out, something like that. So yeah, let's just go. I also got fake nails on. I've been wanting to get real nails for the longest, but I just don't ever, I don't know. I should have brought my camera with me. It's charging, that's why. I guess that kind of works. Okay. I don't know if I'm ready to go. This is so fun, cute, I love this. Also, sorry if you see my double chin. I really don't know how to hide it. Maybe I should not hide my face too. So I'm not gonna look at my phone a lot because I don't want to die. I'm a little distracted driving right now. This is why people shouldn't vlog and drive. So I ended up going to Jamba Juice because I just wanted a drink. I don't really ever go out with like a full face of makeup, only like to like special events. So like out in public, this was kind of weird for me. I don't know, I felt like I was being like looked at weirdly, but you know, it's fine. I gotta get used to going out like this. I do look like Rudolph. I got the matcha green. It's matcha green something or green matcha. I don't know, but I like it. I substitute the soy milk for almond milk, and I like how this tastes better. So. I look like a little egg right now. I don't have makeup on because I just woke up and I went to go eat at Chick-fil-A with my dad. I also don't know which eye is which, but I know that my left eye is worse, so I'm just gonna assume that's 375 and my right eye is 275. The box looks like this. It's just this little box. The thing about me is that because both of my eyes are different, because one is 375 and one is 275, I'll always have to buy like two different ones unless you can like choose two different, I guess, prescriptions for your eyes. So if it doesn't give me the option, I'll always have to buy two separate boxes, which kind of sucks because that's a lot of money. But the good thing is that OLENS with the Symphony collection or whatever, it's buy one get one free. So instead of me paying $60 for two, I pay $36 altogether, like with shipping and like tax and all that, for two instead of the $60 or $70 that I would end up paying at the end. So that's fun. What if I look stupid? Oh my god. Ooh. I'm so scared. Why am I scared? I feel like I can't do this. Oh my god. They're like more blue tone than I thought they would be. They kind of do look kind of fake. Very grainy, I guess. Maybe I'm just like meant to have brown eyes with this face. This honestly proved that I look prettier with makeup on and contact lenses. I don't look like me. That's kind of scary. So my game plan is to wear my glasses on my head, so it kind of makes it seem like I need glasses and that I'm actually blind and that these are my real glasses. That's my game plan. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure if it'll work. Like, you could tell these are not my real. Look, it's me. Fake freckles. Shake, 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 shake. Fun. I'm stressed. Well, I want to buy a wig too. I just want to change my whole persona. Soon I'm gonna get plastic surgery. It's always like this. First it starts with the contacts, and now I want to buy a wig. And soon it's gonna be the plastic surgery. I'm gonna want to change my nose, and then I'm gonna want to have cheek fillers and do lip fillers, and I'm just gonna be a whole different person. And you know what? It's okay. Change is good. I've always wanted to get plastic surgery. I've always wanted to change my nose. There's just something about my nose that I don't like. It's probably my side profile. I just don't like my nose. And I wish I had like a top lip, cause like it's so like where's my lip? And then I want to get cheek fillers, and like I want to like try to get my cheekbones to like, I don't know, there's just so much I want to do. But it's like, will I really do it? Like, I don't think there's anything wrong with plastic surgery. If you want to like get plastic surgery done, then get it done. I'm not the type of person to be like, don't do that to your face. Like, no, like if you want to do it, then do it, you know? I'm not just saying that because I want to do stuff, because in the end, I might just end up not doing anything. Like, if anything, I'll get lip fillers, and that's it. Like, if I'm risky enough, I'll, like, get rhinoplasty done. But that's, like, if I'm, like, really feeling adventurous. But I don't think there's anything wrong with plastic surgery. You know, just you do you. That's the thing. Do what makes you happy. You know that thing that everyone's been spreading around recently? Self-love? Is this part of self-love? You're kind of changing yourself, so is it really, like, do you love yourself? The thesis. It's hot. But yeah, that's the real gag. If you do love yourself, why are you changing yourself? Anyways, the point is, do what makes you happy. If you wanna go get your nose done, get your nose done. If you're happy with yourself, then you're happy with yourself. I feel like, you know, the more I stare at myself, I don't know if I like it. The more I stare at myself, the more it scares me. I should put juice in here or something. I'll be back. People are